Corrected. So, hello everyone, Mr. Priscilla and our faculties, myself, Meera Saurama. I'm the team leader for Jigsaw Academy. So, that's our problem statement is 1604. So that is a problem titled conversational image chatbot that we can search like a Google Assistant, like a Apple Siri. We can search the images and textual search. We can do the chatting also, like other social media. We can chat using image. We can chat using textual. That this project of the organization well department is also there. So we are really thankful for the Electronics Limited and category is the software. Thing is a smart automation. Thank you. Now we will see how we are solving this problem. So shortly I will explain to the PPT. From the Ramos and our team is Chitramitra. Our problem statement is conversational image recognition chatbot. Basically, our theme is smart automation, and our problem statement category is a software. Our team ID is 16827. So first of all, we proposed a solution. Nowadays, the ChatGPT and different kinds of chatbots are available, but that we can't check this simultaneously or as user friendly like other social media. We can't check WhatsApp and Instagram or other frequently chatting chatbots. Like we can't chat with the AI as like other social media. So using our tool, we can chat with the AI frequently as Instagram, WhatsApp, and other social media tools. So we are giving the facility plus text search chatbot using image recognition and NL. So by using chatbot, we can do the text as well as image search simultaneously. Basically, our objective is using the MLP, and we will process the uploaded image and answer the question as frequently as user asks for the question. Our AI will give the responses. Our background is conversational capabilities, moving on text to chatbot also, image based solutions also. So this is our flow diagram. First one, we will upload the image. After image uploadation, we will initialize the image. Model will take that image. We are using the blip model. In our problem statement, they have given the OPPO model and different other data sets also. But the blip is a more higher version or more large data set, millions and billions of data set as compared to OPPO, ImageNet, Pascal, and other data sets. So we are using the blip. And after that, we are leaving the caption to each images. After finding the caption generation, model will take the data as well as here we are uploading the new image. So first of all, we have the loads of image data set, and based on that, a model will train the data. We will upload the image for checking, or we can say that for the chatting. At that time, model will initialize that image and find the caption. And the above process is given here. After the finding caption, image will processing and caption generation phases. After the generation of caption, it will give the caption as a result. Or Blink model will give the result as like this image is related to this question. So for that. That input will go to the our model and NLTK tool, and from that we had also asked the textual question also, and after the NLP tool, it will give the answer. So this is basically a technical approach how our model will work. Next one, SWOT analysis. Basically, for our model, SWOT analysis is required thing. Like we will explain the strength, opportunities, and weakness, threats, everything in SWOT analysis. Like that is a feasibility and viability analysis. So strength, what is our strength? So using our tool, every person can search each and every options. Like they can search the medicine, they can search their AI goals. They can like for example how market will increase, and they can search their study also. So we are targeting to general people. So that's why, and also multi-model interaction will provide like they can bind how we are binding the ChatGPT and different kinds of AI with the other tools as we will also do the multi-model interactions, and we are using different many models. Like for the image capturing and image generation, we are using the Bleep as well as for the image processing, we are using Bleep, and that is our thread. Next one, impacts and benefits. Basically, our impacts are enhanced user experience and automations and efficiency is also there. Accessibility is also there. Like all things is dependent on the data. So data-driven insights as well as advanced AI applications will also there. Like using our portal, we can integrate our portal with any other portals also. So the advancement of AI applications will be there. Users can do the effective interactions. So there is also big impact. Automation and efficiency will be also there. Yeah, nowadays ChatGPT is not providing much more images as a freely to search like 2 to 3 images. But I'm not saying like that is a disadvantage of ChatGPT or any other thing. Just I'm saying like nowadays, which are the tools are available. They are not too much providing the free tool. So we will provide our tool for like we will provide the facility to any user can search more than 100 images per day using any ID. So like one ID, user can search 100 images per day. If they want to search 200 or 300 images, so they can switch the ID and they can search. Means per ID, we will provide the 100 images search facility. So that is more feasible or more accessible to the user. And what will be the benefits? So improved customer support. We will try to achieve the more customer support as well as multi-factor use cases. Like it can be helpful in the teaching world, education world. It can be helpful to the CA. It can be helpful to the other field also, share market and others. So multi-factor use cases, cost effective is also like any person can search freely 100 images. So that's a more cost effective. Scalability is also there. User can search efficiently or do the chatting with the AI chatbot as other social media. So it's a most user friendly interface. It can be more user friendly interface. And basically our project of Bell. So that's why we had taken the guidance, research guidance from the Bell, as well as we had used the Blip model. So that's why we are using the Blip. So we had taken the reference from Blip as well as from Bell. So next one, we had seen the different data sets also, Coco data set, ImageNet. So we had also taken the reference from that websites also, and we are using the natural language toolkit. So also we had used this natural language toolkit. Made one small model also for how we can solve this problem. So first of all, I had used the transformer and the scikit-learn also. Scikit-learn for performing different types of algorithm. For the image processing algorithm, I had also used the pandas, and for the pandas is used mostly for data frame streaming also. In future we will use. So now I'm presenting as a UI using Streamlit, but we will test our model with the Streamlit, so end user can efficiently search using UI. So we will use Streamlit in future. Just I'm different input libraries. So first of all, we will use the IPY widgets for the text box where we can search like for the Instagram chatting, for the WhatsApp chatting. We have one box where we are typing the question, where we can put the images, different options we have. We are using transformer. Basically transformer we will use for the model improvement. Blip processor we will use to Blip, because Blip we are using Blip model. So Blip for the conditional generation we are using. PI also we will use, and IPython this one IO will be also there. So these are the imports libraries, and we will train the model using Blip processor. We are using one this pre-trained model, and then we will teach NLP. So at this step, we will create one model. We had used Blip instead of Coco and ImageNet because Blip provides more different kinds of images, like more set of images, millions and billions of images as compared to other data sets. So we have used the Blip. So first of all, I had made one function, and using that function, we will take the file updation input, it will create from the model. Then so use, and also we'll apply this shading option. If that's a text will be there, then it match with the caption. Blip is just providing the image caption. Like we will provide the image, it will provide the caption. But our NLP and our model will train that answer as a answer format. Like a caption, like I will show in the example also. Caption is just like details of image, but our model trained that answer, or we can say that our model convert that answer as a response of the image. So first of all, we had uploaded one image. So first, here is you can upload the image. I had uploaded the one image, and my question is, this image is related to what? So AI will process that image, and to process to the text, this is my image, and that giving the answer also. See, AI people carry the luggages and money. I can upload the another image and I can search that, then I will use the send button. So at this type, our click and leave model is work. Basically, this model is is training. So in the like processing phase. So that's why we had not deployed with the Streamlit, but just I had given one example of this. We can also search other images. Like that this image I had already put on the desktop. First of all, I have to upload that image, like I1. This image is I have uploaded, and I'm searching. This image is related to what? And I will use the send button as like as WhatsApp and Instagram and other images. So within 1 2 seconds, it will be like these people carry the luggage and money. So this is one kind of answer format. I will use another images also, like this one image I can use. Yeah, this image or this image. Any animated image I can use. like save this image on the desktop. I will give this name as a image check. This is in PNG format. I will upload this by upload from the desktop image check. And I can search this syntax is related to question and saying. I can use any other also. So it's a quite processing like it's giving output what exactly sells. So first of all, it's giving basically this image is related to what? What is the best way to sell your business? So using this means identifying this image, it's giving the answer like this image is related to what and everything. And next one also we will upload any other image like for example any other you can use like this. Okay, transition between our cells. We can search any other also like this presentation. So first of all, we save this image as an image chapter on the desktop. Image chapter. Then I will upload this image to this desktop. Image chapter. This image I'm uploading, and this image